Yeah guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook Business Manager account. Let's get started. The first step is you open your Chrome browser and now you search for business.facebook.com/overview and you send. Now this is it. You can see now say create a business portfolio offers business manager. Okay, now you can see how to create now meta for business. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not gonna use Google, I'm going to use directly from the Chrome here. So I'm going to retype it direct again. You can see here and click on send. Now this is it. So don't use your Google, use your the exact site, the exact search on the top. Don't use Google to search for it. Now it's going to bring you here and you can say create an account. Just click on create an account here and you are asked to create your business portfolio and business manager. Now you're gonna put your name. The name it's going to be shown as a business name. So I'm going to put something random here like okay, good day. You can say I'm gonna put goodie and now is that your name, your business email. Let's put your business email, your exact email in which your customers, it will be feasible to your customers to have access to you. To message you from it, to have asked anything from that mail. You must use the email that is working, that is active. So once you have the email, just click on submit. I'm going to put another email here because I've already used this email for my business manager account. So I'm going to put another email here. You can see, so I'm going to click on submit and let's see. Now it said the name you choose for this business is not valid. So now let me just put another name here. I'm going to put another name here. Yeah, just continue. Once you put one name and it's not valid, you can just think for another name and okay, think okay. Let me use another thing here. Sorry guys, you have to put the name your Facebook allow. Just put something and click on submit. Once Facebook accepts it, alright. Now let me click on submit. Okay, now say this is done. You can see they have accepted this. That means you're gonna put anything. Don't put any space. Don't put anything on your account name. So now this will confirm your email. They've sent a link to this my email. So you just go there and have a full access to this your account. So click on done. Now I'm going to do is okay. It's going to bring me back to my and now my Meta Business Suite has been created. This is how it's going to be. So this is it, you can see. So here let me show you everything here. Now you can do your ad manager here. You can see account overview, you can pin your audience, everything. You can do your planner, your content. You can have access to your okay, you can see you can have access to everything here, your insight, your everything is here. So guys, if this helps, click the like button and share and comment. Thank you guys.